The question is to find in which molecule all the atoms are there in the same plane, which means coplanar. See, for that the atoms should have sp2 hybridization. In option A, all the atoms have only single bond, so that it is sp3 hybridized. And in option B, we can see methyl groups have only single bond, so that it is sp3 hybridized, and alkenes have sp2 hybridized because it has double bond, and cyanide have a triple bond, so that it is sp hybridized. And option C have all single bonds, so that it is sp3 hybridized, and in option D all the atoms have double bonds, so that it is sp2 hybridized. So in option D we have all sp2 and then planar. So the answer is D.